after we have your account set up and we have received your list of products and your SKUs and your parts and accessory list, now it's time for you to ship us boxes and parts and accessories. Now, this will depend on your access or ability to have access to parts and accessories. We like to work with a lot of factories, so when we work with the factories, obviously they have the ability to send us parts and accessories. Some of our clients are, retailers only, and those parts and accessories are harder to come by. And so then at that point we have to use returned products to create an inventory of parts and accessories based on returned products that are not resellable. Anyway, so sending us boxes, parts, and accessories. Now the boxes are obviously optional but highly recommended if you want us to rebox it into the original box. We're going to need that box. We do have the ability to go out and buy brown boxes and rebox that way as well, and you're selling it as refurbished, so sometimes the customer is okay with a brown box. It's really your choice as the client how you want that product to be reboxed, but we do prefer original boxes when possible. After we have those boxes and accessories, then obviously everything goes into inventory. Now there's 3 options available to you, and so this is an interesting part. One, we're actually going to use those parts to refurbish, as other products come in in the boxes. So we're going to use them to refurbish. That's going to be the number one use of that inventory. But the 2 other options that are available to you is we can ship parts to your customer. So you might have a customer who has a remote control that's missing or broken, damaged, whatever. We can now ship a remote control to your customer for you. And we won't go into a ton of detail here, but you would enter a ticket and we would then ship it to them. And we call that the replace. It's a BT to C type of a scenario that we do talk about in other videos. That option is available. And that allows you to offer, obviously, better customer service to your customers. A lot of people return products because it's missing something or something's damaged, and they return an entire package of product, and that's more costly to you. So this option offers you the ability to, 1, to keep them happier, but 2, you're going to get less returns. So those are the 2 big benefits from that. Now, the other thing is we can sell your parts on our website. We do have a lot of parts on our website, and you would be surprised how many of your old customers, from a year ago or 2 years ago, they lost the remote controller, the headphones broke, or whatever. They're looking for this cable, and nobody sells it. You don't have it listed on Amazon or anywhere else. And we have that product available for sale. The customer can come log into our website, buy that product, and we will sell it. It's our customer, but we will then reimburse you for the cost of that part. So again, it helps produce happier customers. They're not going to go out there and buy, people do this, they buy the whole package, pull out the part they want, and then return your whole package missing that part. So it is a good option for you in both cases. And it does allow us to generate a little bit of income on that side because we're now reselling parts, even though we're having to pick, pack, and ship it as well. Alright, there you go. So that is an overview of the parts business, the parts part of the business. So we'll get into the refurbishing parts here in the next video.